Initially, I started off in the electrical installation course because I thought that's where I wanted to be. When I found out that I wasn't enjoying the course, I got offered the option to move to a bridge program. The bridge program offered me lots of different sort of taster sessions in other courses. I felt that it really helped me see where I wanted to go in my future, because initially I was quite worried.
He adores working with the children, and it's a pleasure to watch him work with the children. He's very kind, firm, and doesn't let anybody get away with anything, but the children love him.
I'd say one of the most challenging parts of working here is the journey, the travelling. I spend about an hour and a half getting to work and an hour and a half going back home.
For us, we were very lucky because Alex was a very committed student, and it's wonderful then that through the partnership with the college that we were able to offer these young people employment.
I think it's turned me into a better person. My confidence and my skill has improved greatly thanks to the path I've gone on. It is lots of fun working with children and seeing them grow and learn.
It's of huge benefit to our school to have committed students in links with the college, those people who wish to take on the vocational qualifications, who will work with the school and benefit from the expertise that is in school. Because at the end of the day, what we want is a world-class workforce in Wales.